picked a fight and puked all over his cowboy boots. He washed them in the puddles, walking all the way home. He's all alone. I'm not that kind of guy, Lord knows it's true, but I felt that kind of lonesome a time or two. A fella I knew named Ezra called his friend Big John Jehovah, but Big John's gone. He quit mowing his lawn. He traded his wife and a mountain of pills for a life and a home for the mentally ill. It broke the poor girl's heart in his best friend's will. I'm not that kind of guy, Lord knows it's true, but I felt that kind of lonesome a time or two. Well, everybody's gone, we're what's left of the rest, so we're packing up the wagon and heading out west. Honey, thank God for blessing me with you. These days I can mostly outrun the blues, but I felt that kind of lonesome a time or two. These days I can mostly outrun the blues, but I felt that kind of lonesome